Hello, this is Andrew Darius, the creator of VydeoGram. In this video, I will show you how VydeoGram standard version works. So all you have to do is to get the MP4 file. In this case, I am using the Explandio file. Then you can select which chunk of a file you can use. I will use the whole one, and then you can choose how long the VydeoGram length will be. I will keep it on default 8 seconds. I will just click on the VydeoGram. Right now, it's generating this VydeoGram live. As you see, this is a real-time progress. On the back end, what it does is that it scans video file, then is make very smart selection of so-called keyframes, and after that, it is adding the randomization matrix on top of that. But what you need to know, essentially on the front end, for a user, is super easy. As you saw right now, I just dropped the file and it is processing this file right now, and the result is this VydeoGram, which I can save. Let's save it as E35, and I have more here. I did a few different tests before, so let me show you how it looks with many different looks of it, and then I will show you how I did it. So as you see, I have many different looking VydeoGrams right now here, and all of those VydeoGrams were made from the very same video file, which I just copy paste. The whole idea is that you want to keep the user keep the user timeline fresh. So you always want to have the fresh content, but you have only one video file which one you show. So here is the solution how you can 100, maybe 200 different looking VydeoGrams for very same video file which you have. So essentially this is what I did. Is very simple, and let me show you how I did it. So I click on main, and then I have just two different buttons here. One is randomize pre-select and randomize. The only difference is that randomize pre-select is, instead of taking the whole video and then randomize the part of it, or randomize creation of VydeoGram, it takes a chunk of the whole video and then randomize that. So it's kind of like double randomization. And here is randomize, essentially taking the randomization only from the selected part which you selected on before. Right now we have it on a full file. So let me do randomization pre-select. So again, what it is doing right now, it took the whole file, scanned it, and then after scan, it took the random chunk of this whole file which you think is good for this randomization. Then scanned again this chunk of a file, and then added the so-called randomization matrix on top of this pre-selected random chunk of a whole file. It is processing right now. As you see, it's pretty fast and pretty easy to use. I think it is my most easy to use software I ever did, to be honest with you. And you see, here very cool one. So essentially, this is next one. From very same video. Let me save it. Let me call it F37. And as you see, we have a different ones. So let me try it one last time. This time I will use the randomize. Right now, what it's doing on this randomize, it is selecting the chunk of a file which I selected on the front. Actually, I did use the whole file on the beginning of this video, so it is essentially making randomization and applying the smart search for the keyframes and randomization matrix to the whole video. If I had selected the only part of video, it will do this for this part selected by me. So let's see what will come up. You never actually know what will come up, so I'm doing this live. So you see those videos are really good. Of course, you may hit some VydeoGram which is not the one you like, so you just make the new one and you are good. So as you see, it's 97% now, almost done. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, we got this one, which is from a big chunk of video where you have this dancing in front and then different side here. I will actually save it like name 8, let's say 850, maybe 37, 38 this time. Okay. And this is pretty much it for VydeoGram standard. Let me repeat it. This is VydeoGram standard. So we don't like to sell the software which is half-baked. So what you see on this specific video, you get 100%. You don't have to buy any OTOs to get this part, which I did showed you. There will be VydeoGram Pro, but I will do separate video what more VydeoGram Pro has. But if you get standard, you're pretty good on this part, which I just demonstrate. Thank you very much and take care. Bye bye.